Hi, it's Jack from Jack Gately Real Estate. So I wanted to walk you through a basic tutorial so that you could have as a new agent, get a sense of what ZipForms Plus can do for you. And it's highly likely that you're probably joined an agency, hopefully Jack Gately Real Estate, and now you have a client that you want to perhaps place an offer on behalf of, or you want to list a property. That's probably the first one or two tasks you have to do. And you heard that there's some website that you go to and you can get the forms that everyone uses. And well, how do you do that? So in a few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can actually get to this page right here that you're looking at, which is the standard Form 501 contract to purchase with contingencies from the Massachusetts Association of Realtors. Now, in order to get here, you first have to start at the beginning. So let's go back to that. Highly likely you're going to start with a membership at your local Realtor association. I'm with the Greater Boston Real Estate Board, and so highly likely you're going to get a membership welcome email from your local association. When you get to that email, highly likely in that email they're going to have a link to your ZipLogic form sign up page. So currently the web address for that page is zipform.com/order/order.asp. Now, I'm sure that will change over time, but that's it for now, as of May 2017. So just look in the email for the link. It should be there. Also in this very important welcome email will be what they call your NERDS number. That is NRDS. Very important. So you get to this website, and I'm not going to go through every single step, but you click the option that you are a realtor, because you now would be. You go through here and find your realtor association. Not going to be that hard. Greater Boston Realtor Board for people at my office. Click continue, and up will come the question of your NERDS number, which you get from that welcome email. And then you go forward and create a ZipLogic account. Fairly straightforward to do so. Eventually, you'll get over to a page that looks like this, and you'll want to log in to your ZipLogic account from here. So once you're in your ZipLogic account, how do we get to this? And this is your ultimate destination, right? So close your eyes just for a second as we back up a quick second. And get to the first page that you see when you go to your ZipLogic page. So pretend you're not seeing this quick part. Don't look behind the curtain. Here we go. So when you log into your ZipLogic, you might get an error message. Ignore that for a quick second. Go ahead, computer. You can do it. There we go. When you log into your ZipLogic, you're probably going to want to start over here to the left where it says Forms. Great. Click on the Forms, and you're probably going to want to select one of the libraries over here to the right. Over here, select library. We've got several libraries here to select from. Let's check the Massachusetts Association of Realtors library. You might also from time to time use the Greater Boston Real Estate Board library, but let's go with the Massachusetts Association of Realtors to begin with. And we're going to pull up a list of all sorts of forms that we can use right here. So as we know, an offer is more formally called a contract to purchase. So you scroll down to the contract to purchase, Form 501. You click it, and voila, it comes up. Fantastic. You could do the same thing if you wanted to get a listing agreement. And the listing agreement that you might use at your office, for instance, is highly likely you're going to use the listing agreement, which is exclusive right to sell, not exclusive agency, but exclusive right to sell listing agreement with designated and dual agency built right into it. So if you want that, that's Form 715. You click that. If you're going over to a listing appointment, it'd be very helpful to have one of these things. And then you fill it in. To fill it in, you just click the field and you write the name of the seller. Write the property address, write the book and page number. Real easy. You fill in the commission rates, the listing period, the price. It's possible that you might be able to fill in all of this, like if you're at your office with your client right then and there. But it's also possible, and there's all sorts of just different situations where you might want to take a blank listing agreement to an appointment because you really don't know how the details are going to work out. So there's a number of different ways to extract this form from the ZipForms website. Now, the first thing you probably want to do is go over here and save your work. So save your work. You can call this listing agreement if you just want to use a blank one. That's not a bad strategy. Click listing, click residential, and boom, saved. Perfect. Then go over to print and print this form. You're going to agree that you won't change it afterward. Okay. And up comes your print dialog box. Now from there you could print it to your local printer. You could save it as a PDF. There's a lot of different ways to extract it from here. Some people save it as a PDF and then drop it into .loop. Some people use the ZipForms signature option, the e-sign forms signature option right from this platform. Many different ways to extract it and get a signature from here. Other people print it right out and use the good old pen and ink signature. That's kind of a video of a different day, but I just wanted to get you started with understanding how to access these forms that are really, really important for your daily work. So over here, you can see that when we go to transactions and we'll get up our dashboard, you can keep track of all your transactions and all your prior forms as well. So you got all sorts of things in there that are your prior forms. So that's basically ZipForms in a nutshell. Look for your welcome email from your Realtor association. Look for that NERDS number. Go to ZipLogic, create an account, log in, click on the forms, and then on the left and click on the library to the right, and you should be good to go. Thanks. Hey, it's been Jack Gately from Jack Gately Real Estate. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.